Yo, what's up everyone, Project Motor here, just a quick exhaust video on a Scrambler 800. So let's have a look at a bike, listen to it and listen to it on the road. Let's get into the video. So here's the bike in question. Now this ain't the seat that's going on it, the guy's having the seat recovered. It's had a couple of other bits, the tail tidy and the Ducati Performance Scrambler indicators. Let's have a look at the exhaust. So this Termignoni exhaust will set you back about 1,050 quid. If you look at it, it does obviously look a lot better than the standard can. Also, you get this little bit under here, this little chamber, gets rid of the cat. So let's start this bike up, have a listen to it and see what it's like on the road as well. Well, so that was a Scrambler 800. Definitely sounds better and looks better, but it's not only sound and looks that you get for your money. There is some advantages with it. I think you get 5% extra brake horsepower and up to about 4% extra torque. So there is a little gain, not a lot. It is a little bit lighter as well, so that helps. Overall, I think it's a good addition to the bike. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it and it helped you make your decision whether you'd like that kind of exhaust on your bike, and see you again soon. If you want some more information on this exhaust, contact these boys at Ducati Chelmsford. They'll be more than happy to help. I'll put the link in the description to their website, and as always, thanks very much for watching.